Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 2 of the Raksha Bandhan series that is going on my channel. If you missed the episode 1, I will leave it in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. मैंने बहुत प्यारी प्यारी राखी शेयर करी है, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा और easy भी है. So be sure to check it out. Now राखी तो बन गई. अब बारी है अपने आप को थोड़ा सा तैयार व्यार करने की. Since we can't really go out in the parlor, मतलब जा तो सकते हैं तैयार होने के लिए, but it's still not safe ना. So why not do it at the ease of our home? DIYs to the rescue. So today I'm going to be sharing a easy DIY recipe with you guys. An easy DIY face mask recipe actually, which will just nourish your skin, and I happen to use it very often in summer times whenever my skin needs a refreshment. I can't speak today. I have some problem. Anyways, let's get into the video. But yes, before getting into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दो, मुझे सपोर्ट की बहुत ज़रूरत है इस टाइम पे, और इसलिए भी ज़रूरत है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ ह्यूज गिव अवे एज सून एज दिस चैनल हिट्स 1K सब्सक्राइबर. एंड इन दैट गिव अवे सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ होने वाला है, बॉयज गर्ल्स ऑल द सब्सक्राइबर्स. आई विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस द गिफ्ट्स विद यू as soon as I'm close to 1K सब्सक्राइबर. पहले उधर हेल्प करो, उसके बाद गिव अवे के बारे में बात करेंगे, बट ये मेरा प्रॉमिस है. Now let's get into the video. So I have washed my face beforehand, and for this DIY face mask I'm using Multani mitti, just taking a spoonful of it in a ceramic bowl, and then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of curd in it. Multani mitti acts as a cooling agent in summers, and it also is known to fight acne, pimples and clean impurities of your skin. Now I'll be adding some rose water. It has anti-inflammatory properties and helps maintain the pH balance of your skin. And curd, on the other hand, helps to exfoliate the skin. The lactic acid present in it helps remove the dead skin cells and gives it nourishment. This face mask will help you remove the tanning and brighten up your face. Now here is a tricky ingredient. I'm using frankincense oil, but you can totally skip the essential oil part. You have to be very careful while using it. It might irritate your skin. That's why I'm using only 2 to 3 drops of it in my mask. It is actually very good for acne prone skin, and I've been having a lot of those these days. Now I'm applying this on my face and I'll leave it for 15 minutes. Now here is a pro tip. If you have dry skin like mine, do not completely dry out your face mask. Wash it off after 15 minutes, even if it is not totally dry. अपना काम वो कर चुका है आपकी स्किन पर. Now after washing your face, pat dry it. Never ever rub your face. Always pat dry it with a very soft towel. Now don't forget to apply some moisturizer after taking off the face mask. I'm using the green tea mattifying moisturizer from Plum. It's one of my favorite products from Plum. Now you can clearly see the glow that it has given in just 15 minutes. My skin feels so soft and very clean, and I am festival ready now. So I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. If you happen to recreate this face mask for yourself, don't forget to click a picture and share it with me on Instagram. I will post it on my Instagram stories and tag you there. And I will see you in episode 3 of this Raksha Bandhan series, which is going to be released tomorrow. So stay tuned and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the notifications. And take care. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Bye bye.